my god, man. Oh my god. It's so snowy. I can't believe it. Middle of April. Snowiest day of the year. I have to hustle. I'm running late.
Look at how beautiful these trees are.
It's the most beautiful thing in the world. So yeah, this is the new setup with the mic and everything. I don't think I have to talk so loud like I normally do, so it might even sound louder than it should. There's an excessive amount of background noise right now, and wind and snow, and I really like to see how this microphone is holding up in this. I can't wait to check it to see the audio. I can't believe it. Overnight, we got this much snow. It's crazy. I gotta hustle, get coffee. This is what the new setup looks like. It's a ridiculously beautiful day now, considering how cold it was this morning. In Newmarket, there's gonna be still tons of snow, even though in Toronto, there is none. I gotta cross the street. Okay. What's up, dude? I'm gonna miss this. No, 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 no. Yes. Because of how close we are to the Great Lakes, which I'll show you right here. The Great Lakes, because of all the water and everything from all those lakes, random weather patterns for this area, it changes more than anywhere in the world because of the Great Lakes. So you never know, it could be summer one day, winter the next day, like you really never know what's gonna happen, which is exciting. Today is National Beer Day. You know, have a beer at some point today, so cheers to you. I'm gonna have a beer later.
Dude, your little baby girl, your little baby dancing.
I was just on Google Maps, and I'll show you. Right there. I was basically trying to figure out a spot where I was 75 meters away from any building or anything like that, so I can, you know, try to follow the rules, obviously. It's on my way to get a few things at the grocery store. Okay, so the first time ever they came out with this cool thing, I'll show you now. It's like a rubber stopper thing so it doesn't poke you. I love that. Honestly, how did they not do that before they landed on the moon? That's what I don't understand. Okay, so it's almost sunset, like the sun is just setting over here, and I'm at this beautiful little pond. If you look around me, just wanted to get a little bit of this sunset. right, so that was a success. My phone actually died while I was flying the drone, which has never happened before. You can fly it without your phone, which I didn't know. So my power for my phone shut off, so I thought, oh my God, I'm gonna lose the drone, and it was like over top of water. The GPS is already inside the Mavic and also inside the remote, so you can just steer it with the remote even though the phone's dead. So lucky, thank goodness. All right, there's my buddy. There's my other buddy. Get down here. There he is. So here's my buddies. It's National Beer Day.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are the little monkeys. Monkey 1, 2, 3. Carlos. Oh, you want inside? Okay.
Snowstorm in April.
Good boy. Just little snow tracks.